It wants the y-coordinate of the vertex. Again, if we had the standard form, we would know what the vertex is. But this time we have a fraction as an a value. So let's see what that does. Step one is always to factor out that a value. Leave that minus 1 there. So we're only factoring the 1/5 out of the first two. And that makes it always whatever you factor out is super easy for the first one. It's just going to be x squared. What's a little bit tricky with the fraction here is what goes next. I know it's going to be positive because the 1/5 is positive and the 2 is positive. And there's sort of two ways that we can go about figuring out what this number is. I think the easiest way is to imagine your 1/5 hits something and the answer is 2. 1/5 times what gives you 2? 10. I think that's the easiest way to figure out the 10. It's sort of like almost like a working backwards. You're like, if there was a number there, what would it be to get the 2? The other way is to do it directly. If you pull 1/5 out of 2, how many would it take? Take 10 of them. We know the answer already, so it's kind of, but does it make sense that 5 1/5 would make up 1? So you'd need another 5 to get to another 1 to get 2. So you could think of it that way too. But I think it's easier to just say, imagine the 1/5 hits this number, its answer is 2, what would have to be there? And then we still have a space here and a space here. Now we complete the square. 1/5 here. This has to be squared. We know it's going to be x. The 10 is the hint. It has to be a plus 5. And if it's a plus 5, that would make plus 25 here. What have we actually done? That 25 would get hit by that 1/5. We've actually added 5 to this side. So to compensate, I have to subtract 5. Which, if we simplify this, gives us -6. So our vertex is -5, -6. And our y-coordinate of our vertex would be the -6. Circle question number 7.